Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying my videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you such a skill which is very easy to learn and very easy to sell on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So guys, let's get started. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can design a flare in Canva and sell it on different freelancing platforms. This is a very good skill to work on, so you must work on this skill, and this is very easy skill. I will teach you in minutes. So first of all, I will go to Fiverr and let's see is there is a demand of this skill or not. So I am going to Fiverr. Fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platform in the world where you can sell your services and earn money online. So here I write flyer design. So there are 22,282 services available. I am opening one of the gig and let's analyze this gig that which the freelancer is offering. So in the basic package, he charged $10, and in $10 it provide basic one side basic scale flare design with JPEG print ready PDF file. In standard package he charged $35, and in premium package he charged $65. So as you can see, it is a very good skill to work on. You can also read about his gig and analyze his gig and make your gig according to it. If you want to know about Fiverr, that how you can create account on Fiverr and how you can create gig, how you can write gig description. So after the Canva course, I will also upload a course on Fiverr. So stay tuned. So that's it for our Fiverr part, and let's go to Canva and learn how you can create a flare design in Canva. So I cross this one and I will go to Canva home. In the search bar, I write flare. It shows us different templates. We can easily customize these templates and used in our projects. So I click on create a blank flyer. It is loading, just wait for some seconds. So that's it, it is loaded. So I am going to make a flare for food company. So I write here food and it provides me different templates, and let's choose one of the template and customize it, and keep going. I think this one is a good, yeah, that's a good design. So first of all, I would like to change the image, and I want some burger image. So burger, and I would like to this one. Now I want to replace the background, and you can see it look good. I customize this like 40% off discount. You can also change these color. I think I think this look good, and free home delivery. You can customize number or foodhub.com address. You can change the address, and that's it. Our flyer is ready. So you can see how it just take 2 to 3 minutes, and we can easily create a beautiful flyer with the help of Canva templates. So that's it for today. I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn skills and earn good amount of money. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, stay tuned, goodbye.